everybody, this is Paige Peel. I work here at Wildcat Harley here in the motor clothes department. We decided we're going to do a helmet workshop on the 21st of April. So I decided we would try and talk about a couple of the features of some of our helmets, starting with the half helmet, going all the way up to the full face modular. And we've got our awesome model here, which is Alex Melton. He's one of our sales guys. He's decided he's going to help us model. So I'm going to go over some features with the half helmet here. We're going to have him try this on first. So I have him turn around here. Starts with a visor here, acts kind of like a little sun visor, like a ball cap, keeps the sun out of your face. It's also where it's half helmet, you can still get the wind in your face, but still have the protection that DOT says you have to have. We'll turn them around a little bit. They have these little ear pockets that are good for the communication system, the boom system that we sell here in parts. The speakers go in the little side ear pockets here, but the ear pockets are also removable. We'll go ahead and have you pop this off. So if you don't want to use that and you want more wind in your face, more wind in your ears, it's a good feature there. Okay. As far as the liner goes, it is removable and it is replaceable. Removable so you can wash it, and as all that, it's hybrid, it's really lightweight. Also, it is compatible with our half helmet boom audio system, Bluetooth ready. Next on board we have the 3/4 Harley helmet. It is still very lightweight as well. It also comes with our sun shield, which is retractable. Also has the drop down face shield, pop-upable. And we're going to have Alex try this on as well. The visor is pretty cool. To bring it down, there's a little lever on the side right here to pop it down, pop it back up. Also, have you turn it right back around, slam it down on you there. It's pretty good. You also have venting here and venting in the back as well, right there. So it still keeps your head kind of cool while you're riding down the road. Also, again, on this liner, it is removable and it is replaceable. Removable so you can wash it, and it's still, again, lightweight. Also, again, boom audio, Bluetooth ready. Next we have our full-faced stationary helmet. A feature with this one is pretty cool. It's still got the drop-down sun visor here. The lever for that is on the side up here. It also has your full-face shield. Keep the wind out of your face, the rain out of your face. It has a vent here, 2 vents on the top here, and also venting in the back. Also, it's pretty cool with the little graphics on it. Again, the sun visor comes down this way. Slam that down if you don't want the wind and the rain in your face. Again, the liner is removable and replaceable. Removable so you can wash it. And thank you. And it is also boom audio, Bluetooth compatible, and that is for sale again in parts. Our final helmet that we're going to talk about today is my favorite. It is the Mac Daddy of all the helmets that we sell here. It's got so many more features than any of the helmets that we carry here. Besides being DOT approved, which all of our helmets are, it is a full face modular, and as you can see how I popped that open, it looks like a stationary helmet, but it is not. You can actually open this up, so when you're stopped at a stoplight or you just want some more wind in your face, just pop it open. You can actually ride with it like this. You can have it down like this. You have your face shield. Comes up. You also have your sun shield here that's retractable by a button on the top. It's also, put it down like that. We'll have Alex throw this one on. Now the cool thing about this one though too is when you slam it down for me, it snaps shut like that. How's it feel? Pretty good? You can open that up, and on the top up here again there's a little lever that brings your sun shield down. You want to make sure it doesn't hit you in the nose, but we can help you with that with sizing when you come in to check this helmet out. There is a vent here. There's a vent up here, and then turn around for me. Vent back here. So even though it's covering everything and it keeps the wind and the rain out of your face, it keeps your head cool with the venting system. And then on the top. Also, it is Boom Audio Bluetooth compatible for sale in part. And parts can also help you attach these to your helmets. There's some tucking of the wires and some attachments for the communication part on the outside of the helmet, but they can also help you with that. So when you come in to check these helmets out, we can walk you back to parts and they can kind of show you how they put it together before they put it together for you. Thank you. But also on this one, the last feature I want to show you is the liner again is replaceable and removable so you can wash it. But other than that, this is my favorite helmet. But we are having our workshop again on the 21st of April. It starts at 1 o'clock. We will be going over all the features again of the helmets. Any questions that are going to be coming up, we can answer them that day. We're also having a sale on the helmets that day. When you bring your old helmet in, you will get 20% off of a brand new helmet. Or if you wanted to come in just to get size for a new helmet and you don't bring your old helmet in for a trade-in, you get 15% off that helmet, the new helmet. So any questions, just give us a shout here at Wildcat.